Has the current Bitcoin small bull market ended? If you're interested in knowing more about this, please keep watching. Currently, BitGet is offering a registration promotion where you can receive a $10 trial fund. There is no need for KYC verification, deposits, or trades. This is an unprecedented offer. If you are interested, please click the link below to register. There is a sign-up form for a physical seminar by me below. On May 6th, I'll hold a seminar from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The venue will be Kaohsiung Lin Palace. You may have seen our promotion on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, group, Discord, etc. Feel free to sign up. We welcome everyone to attend. There will be good content and lucky draw prizes, such as VR sets, trial funds, etc. If you register on the event day, you can receive $10 in gift funds, which can be withdrawn immediately. It's fine to withdraw immediately. That's good stuff. Now let's return to the Bitcoin market. Looking at the BTC chart, we just have to be focused on one thing, which is whether the market will continue to rise, or if this bull run has ended. Yesterday, we provided one analysis model, and today we will use a different method. During an uptrend, what will the price movement be like? The price typically moves in a box pattern, right? The price movement forms a box, and the price breaks through the upper boundary. It oscillates before attempting another breakout, and forms another box, and then another breakout, another box. However, will the price break through this box here? If the small bull market is still ongoing, the price will break through the resistance of this box. How shall I put it? If it were to break downward, after oscillating for so long, what would happen? Let's measure the time period. This box pattern has been in effect for 45 days. If it were to break downward, it would take time to drop, right? It will take time to drop and oscillate after that. It'll also take time to climb back. Everything will seem to happen in a hurry. And a small bull market. Let's take a look at the last temporary bull market. Actually, the last small bull market lasted about 193 days. Let's go back to the 2019 bull run. We'll switch to the daily chart. Let's zoom in on this chart, from the bottom to the top. I believe there is no controversy about this measurement method. It lasted for 193 days, right? Even the number of days the price went up after breaking out of the box was way shorter. But the surge was insane, which lasted about 85 days. So the entire small bull market was only 193 days long. The real surge period was only about 85 days. So let's go back to the current market situation. I would think that the small bull market started from here. Similarly, we go from the bottom to the top. It took 144 days to reach the current peak. So if we refer to the last small bull market, which lasted for 193 days, what will be the approximate period? It would be about here, right? That's the maddest period. We should start counting from the breakout here, which is 18,500. We count from this candlestick. How long did the trend last? Last time, it lasted for 85 days, right? You'll realize that in the real surge period, which is this segment, the crazy increase, is only about 90 days. So, if the price drops below the box up here, the drop will take time. The consolidation will take time. And the rise will also take time. This box has been around for 45 days. So if the price goes down, we need at least another 45 days for the accumulation. It will take at least 45 days before it has a chance to rise again. If you add up the time nodes of these two segments, it has already exceeded the period of the previous small bull market, right? Since the price has to go up again and create another top, the time will far exceed it. So, I reckon that if this temporary bull run wants to go further, if the upward trend wants to continue, and if the bullish market wants to sustain, the price must not fall below this box. This box, the white box, it must not be broken. The lower boundary of this white box is around 27,000. In other words, we can conclude by summarizing what I just said. If this bull market is still there, then the support of 27,000 cannot be broken. It cannot be broken. If the price goes down and tests 27,000, adding the time the price oscillated in the box above, in our estimation, let's draw a call out here. So what is this line at the bottom about? This is the total period of the small bull market in 2019. The total period of the bull run. And what about the period of 85 days on the top? Last time we measured 85 days. What is it? It is the period of the crazy rise in the 2019 bull run. The 2019 bull market. The period of the crazy rise. So the period of the crazy rise is very short-lived. And actually, this upward trend is also about 85 to 90 days. So it's almost time. And the line below is the period of the 2019 bull market, which is about 193 days. If we measure this box, under the condition that it has been oscillating for 45 days, assuming the price breaks out the lower boundary of the box, it will need to go through another box of 45 days before having a chance to rise. And if it goes up, we will still need a distribution area. Going up also takes time. And so does going down. Going up also takes time. Then we will far exceed the total period of the 2019 bull market. What's the significance of exceeding it? If we exceed it, we may not be able to match the halving event. So I think 27,000 is a critical level. If this support at 27,000 is broken, the current bull market will go south to continue the upward movement, hit higher highs, and continue to rise, such as reaching 35,000, 40,000, and so on. These unlikely will happen. So the support at 27,000 must not be broken, no matter what. This can actually be viewed in reverse as well. If the price drops to 27,000 with shrinking volume in the next trend, we should do bottom fishing. Let's check this out. We can add in what we previously mentioned. If this is a distribution area, well, this is the worst scenario. If this is a distribution area, does the volume make sense? Does the volume of this box resemble that of a distribution area? To be honest, I don't think so, at least now. What does a distribution area look like? Let's take a look. It's like the range here. A distribution zone is usually more apparent in the later stages. For example, you can see how weak the bulls are here, how weak the rebound is, and how fierce the drop is. And when there's a drop, the trading volume keeps increasing. Is this pattern present in the current market trend? No, it's not. But if it becomes a distribution box, I believe we will definitely be able to identify the pattern. But at present, it hasn't. So, I don't really think that the white box up here is a distribution box. We can find another example of distribution. For instance, at this position, you can clearly see that the bullish rebound is weak as the price goes, and the volume is decreasing. The sellers are becoming more dominant. However, do we have the same pattern in the current market? I don't think so. If we move on to a smaller time frame, such as a 4-hour chart, from the 4H chart, after yesterday's breakthrough, some group members asked whether to go long. I personally didn't go long, because, at the time, it was a false breakout. The price broke out the trend line. I didn't go long at that time, because it was a weekend. What happened during the weekend? The price rose without a significant volume. The rise didn't come with volume. The breakout happened on low volume. So it is very likely a false increase. That's not worth chasing. You can also see that if we switch to, this is the daily chart. This is the Bitcoin CME futures chart. If we switch to a 1H chart, what price did it close? Last week? It was at around 29,400 to 29,500. 29,400 to 29,500. The price hit 30,000 when it broke through the trend line. The gap of 500 US dollars in between could be filled at any time. You'll realize that when the price drops, the CME futures has opened. The fluctuations before the CME opens prove once again that it's a false breakout. Thank you all very much. I welcome you to the event in Kaohsiung on May 6th. I hope to see you there. I'll share some high-quality content with you on that day. Alright, thank you. You're welcome to like and share my videos. And subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell button to show me your greatest support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.